Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about the number one thing that successful people never do. That number one thing is sabotage, especially self-sabotage, because successful people are not going to go out of their way to talk themselves out of success. In fact, in order to become a successful person, you need to talk yourself into success. Now let me explain what I mean. Basically, what I see in this world is that so many people talk about how bad they are about a certain thing. They'll talk about how bad they are with money, or how bad they are with relationships. Or they'll even say something like, oh, I'm not romantic, my spouse won't appreciate my efforts anyways. My friends, I want to tell you that if you want to become the greatest version of yourself, you have to talk yourself into success, not out of success. Now, the biggest reason why people do this is because they think they have to relate to other people through self-deprecation. And what I'm basically saying is that if you say to other people that you're not good at something, you might feel that you're more relatable to that person. Because if you come off as too perfect, then you might feel like you're not gonna make any friends. But what I am saying is that you don't have to sound too perfect to talk yourself into success. Because most of the talking that you'll be doing is within. For example, if you're playing a game, you're not gonna tell everyone that you're gonna win the game, unless you're a trash talker. Most likely, you're gonna tell yourself you're gonna win the game, and you're gonna deeply believe it. Now, who do you think is gonna go further? The person that says, I'm gonna win the game, or the person that says to themselves that they're gonna lose the game? Obviously, if you believe in yourself, then you know that the results will be in your favor in the end. So my question for you is this. Have you been talking yourself out of potential opportunities? Have you been sabotaging yourself based on how you feel about pursuing those opportunities? You see, my friends, if you believe in yourself, then everyone else in the world is going to believe in you. But if you don't believe you're good at anything, then you won't have any results to show for it at all. So if you find yourself talking yourself out of success, what you need to do is to talk yourself into success. Say things like, I'm good at dealing with money. I'm great at cooking. I'm great at organizing. I'm great at making friends. If you hold positive expectations of yourself, then other people will start to hold positive expectations on you. Now you might be saying, well, Daniel, if I say good things about myself, then I might feel more pressure to perform in that way. Well, my friends, I'm telling you that that's a good thing. That means that you will hold yourself to a higher expectation, which means that you will perform on a higher level. It's just a natural consequence of believing in yourself. That is how you gain confidence, because like I always say, confidence only comes from competence, and competence leads to more confidence. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you the number one thing that successful people never do. They never talk themselves down out of their success. My friends, if you believe this message and you receive this message, make sure to type yes in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with anyone else that you know will absolutely need it. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. Follow me on Instagram, and please talk yourself into the success that you actually want, so that eventually you will manifest it in your life. See you guys on the next video. Take care.